Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shauna. Thank you so much for joining me, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel, and please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works content. In this video, I would like to share a haul with you. As you may or may not know, Bath and Body Works yesterday and today has hand soaps for $3.95 and also buy 3 get 3 for body care. So I have a bunch of hand soaps here and some other goodies to show you. So without further ado, let me show you what I picked up. So I picked up the new Christmas Winterberry Ice hand soap, and this is what the packaging looks like. Scent notes are iced cherries, juicy orange, and snowy lime. And I love cherries and I love lime, so let's see. Oh yeah, that's really nice. This actually, I can smell the cherries and I can smell the lime. It sort of smells like black cherry Merlot, but add orange and lime. It's really beautiful. I'm glad that I picked this up because I almost didn't pick this up because it had orange in the scent description, but I'm very, very glad that I did. So that is Winterberry Ice. That's beautiful. Next, I picked up Sweater Weather, and this is what the packaging looks like. And I love the color, the teal. It's so pretty. So the scent notes are sage, eucalyptus, and fresh woods. Ooh, you smell the sage and the eucalyptus, but it also smells like pine trees too. That's nice. I like that. That's Sweater Weather. Next, I also picked up Strawberry Pound Cake in the hand soap because I love this one in the body care and the candle. So the scent notes are fresh strawberries, golden shortcake, and whipped cream. And this one is like a delicious sweet strawberry dessert. Oh, I love strawberry pound cake. And the hand soap does not disappoint. Next, I picked up Winter. And this is what the beautiful packaging looks like. I love that like frosted color of the bottle. It's pretty. So the scent notes are spiced orange, fir balsam, and clove buds. So let's see. Okay, balsam, and there is something spicy, which may be the clove, and you get orange. Here they go again, putting orange in everything for the hand soaps. I don't understand that, but orange is, if you don't know, orange is not one of my favorite scent notes, but yeah, that's nice. It's okay. I kind of like that. Next, I picked up Fresh Sparkling Snow, and that is what the packaging looks like. Icy Melon, Holiday Pear, and Falling Snow. So let's see. Okay, I get pear and melon. It's okay. Yeah, this is okay. I mean, it's not my favorite. It's pear and melon. I don't know. It's okay. Next, I picked up one of my favorites, Winter Candy Apple. And this is what the packaging looks like. Scent notes are red apple, winter rose petals, and candied orange. Yep, it smells like winter candy apple. It's like a candied apple, but it's really tart as well and sweet. I really like this one. So excited. The body care is available online. They have a ton of Christmas things online. So if you haven't checked that out, buy 3 get 3. Next is Frozen Lake. And it's got a lovely swan on there and stars and falling snow. It's pretty. Frozen cypress, eucalyptus, and juniper berry. Well, I love juniper, so let's see. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. It's like fruity and juniper. Wait. And eucalyptus, but you know what? This smells like Vicks Vapor Rub. This does. Vicks Vapor Rub with berries. that's what Frozen Lake smells like. If you want your hands to smell like Vicks Vapor Rub, get some Frozen Lake. Next, I picked up Blueberry Crumble. I've been wanting to try this one, and I just love the color of the packaging, that royal blue. It's so pretty. And I love anything blueberry. So, fresh blueberries, brown sugar glaze, and a dash of cinnamon. Ooh, this is delicious. It smells like blueberries and like crumbly bread. Like a blueberry pie with really, really thick, sugary crust. That is really nice. That makes me want pie. This totally makes me want pie. That is Blueberry Crumble. That is delicious, you guys. So if you like gourmand, then you'll probably like that. Next, I picked up Frosted Coconut Snowball. And this is what the packaging looks like. The scent notes are creamy coconut, whipped vanilla, and sugar crystals. So let's see. Coconut. A lot of coconut. With a hint of vanilla. Yeah, this smells like predominantly coconut with a hint of vanilla. That is Frosted Coconut Snowball. Did I already... Yeah, I already did that one. Okay, so next I picked up the Polar Bear hand soap holder dispenser. So cute. I just love this. You guys, look at how sparkly the polar bear is. And look at the crown. It is so pretty. It's like a gold finish, but it's got rhinestones on it, on the crown. So pretty. Oh, I just love this. And this retails for $18.95. So place your hand soap there, and this is what it looks like. Very decorative. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then I also picked up the Polar Bear candle holder. So cute. Okay, this one retails for $39.95. Again, very, very glittery. Is the nose a heart? No, it's not a heart. No, it's not a heart. But this one's eyes are open. The other one, his eyes were closed. And the crown is just a gold finish on this one. There are no rhinestones. But it's very, very cute. Oh my gosh. I love this. Where am I going to put this? On my dresser maybe? Or maybe in one of my guest bedrooms? I'm not sure, but oh, it's so freaking cute. I just love it. So I got all of this, and I used my 20% off coupon. The $3.95 hand soaps, it's okay. It's a little better than the 6 for $26 that Bath and Body Works usually runs like all the time. So you save, I don't know, about 30 cents, something like that, when you purchase them $3.95 a piece, which I'll take it. You know, as much as I shop at Bath and Body Works, anything that I can save, I'm there. Oh, and I also used another coupon, and I got a hand cream in vanilla buttercream. And I love the sprinkles on this packaging. And this one retails for $6.50. It's kind of waxy. Vanilla wax. That's what this smells like. Yeah, it smells like vanilla wax. Not too impressed with that. I don't know. I might trade that in. I'm not sure. I'm not really feeling that waxy smell. that so many other lotions have. I thought since this was more like a hand cream, like a body cream type, that it wouldn't smell like wax, but it does. Very waxy. Not impressed with that at all. So thank you for spending the past few minutes with me. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.